So let's just be honest, mastitis sucks. It totally does, and it causes pain and inflammation that can sometimes linger for a couple weeks. And so how do we boost up your supply if it's been knocked down by mastitis? Well, first, you can always latch your baby on the affected side first. And so that way they get on that side when they're hungriest and their suck is most effective. Two, you can always put a pump on after nursing to help provide some extra stimulation. To help battle that lingering inflammation, you can take things such as omega-3s or turmeric or dandelion to help relieve some of that inflammation. And also you could always take some herbal supplements such as Moringa, blessed thistle, fennel, and lots of those other galactagogues to help boost your supply in addition to that extra stimulation you're getting from your baby and your pump. And if you are going to try any herbal supplements, just make sure to speak with a healthcare practitioner to make sure that herb is safe for you to take based on your medical history.